Hi beauties, welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this easy reverse cat eye look, which is a new makeup trend all over social media. I'm going to show you exactly how to achieve this. It's actually super simple and very easy to create. So let's get started. First, I'm going in with a mid brown matte shadow using a dense blending brush, applying it all over my lid as well as in my crease to add some definition in the crease as well as some color on the lid. Then taking a kohl pencil, this one is from Urban Decay, I'm going to apply this in my waterline. Then using a very small angular brush like this one, I'm going to smudge that liner on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to extend that liner on the outer part of my eye, adding a little bit on the lid as well. And then I'm going to extend that liner using the same angular brush, which is a very thin angular brush. Also, I'm going to extend the liner on the inner corner of my eye. Then using this brown shadow, I'm going to set that liner so that it stays in place all day long using a very small thin artistic brush. And then I'm going to curl my lashes using the lash curler. This one is from Shiseido. And I'm going to apply one coat of mascara. The mascara that I'm using here is from Almay. You can also use falsies if you want to. And that completes this tutorial, guys. There we have that simple reverse cat eye look. As you guys saw, it's super easy to create. I really hope you find it helpful, and thank you all so much for your love and support. Please subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys very soon. Bye.